Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or on the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Personality segment, we spoke about the significance of using music and singing in expressive prayer. The prayers suitable for heart-centered Enneagram types, namely Type 2, Helper Caregiver, Type 3, Achiever Performer, and Type 4, Individualist Romantic. In this episode, we will provide a few tips for the effective practice of expressive prayer, the heart-centered prayer suitable for heart-centered Enneagram types, namely Types 2, 3, and 4. Expressive prayer, the prayer suitable for heart-centered Enneagram types, involves embracing a dynamic heart level and deeply spiritual approach to engaging with God. Heart-centered persons express their faith fervently and open themselves profoundly to the Holy Spirit to guide them in the practice of expressive prayer. Here we present a few tips or guidelines for the effective practice of expressive prayer, thereby to bring about genuine transformation in life. Firstly, cultivating the spirit of expectancy. Heart-centered persons must approach prayer with a sense of eager anticipation, believing that God is effectively present in their life and will manifest His presence and power in tangible ways. This spirit of expectancy creates the fertile ground for spiritual encounter with God and transformative experiences. Secondly, embracing spontaneity and freedom. Heart-centered persons need to allow spontaneity and freedom in the expression of worship. They must relinquish constraints of formalized religious practices. Instead, they must engage in spontaneous utterances, heartfelt singing, and uninhibited expression of faith, fostering a deeply personal and authentic connection with God. Thirdly, seeking the guidance of the Holy Spirit. Heart-centered persons must remain constantly open to the Holy Spirit, ready to receive His guidance and to yield to His promptings. They need to embrace a posture of complete surrender to the Spirit of God and allow Him to move and work through them, guiding them in their prayer and expression of faith. Fourthly, activating their inner heart-level spiritual gifts. Heart-centered persons must become aware of their spiritual gifts such as prophecy, discernment, preaching, or healing, and use these gifts as a means of engaging with the supernatural dimension of faith. They must view these gifts as tangible expressions of the Holy Spirit's presence and power in their life. These gifts are meant to enrich their expressive prayer and to edify the community of believers in living their lives as Christians. Fifthly, participating in communal prayer gatherings. Heart-centered persons must participate in prayer within a communal setting, which would foster a sense of unity and fellowship among Christian believers. The shared experience of worship, prayer, and spiritual manifestations create a bond of solidarity, support, and spiritual nurturing, thereby turns the prayer group into a vibrant and interconnected spiritual community. Such a communal support is vital for heart-centered Enneagram types in their spiritual journey. Sixthly, embracing physical and emotional expressions of worship. Heart-centered Enneagram types incorporate physical and emotional expressions of worship while engaging in expressive prayer in group settings. These expressions are outward manifestations of inner devotion and surrender to God. They include raising hands while praying, clapping hands while singing, kneeling, and other forms of body movements that express total submission and dedication to God. This engagement with God on a holistic level involving both body and spirit fosters a deeper connection and emotional bond with God and with a community of believers. Finally, praying for healing and deliverance. Heart-centered Enneagram types, while engaging in expressive prayer, must pray for inner healing and deliverance, always acknowledging God's transformative power to bring wholeness and freedom in the life of all who believe in Him. Likewise, they must trust in God's ability to intervene in the life of believers and to bring about miraculous transformations in their life. By embracing the above stated principles and practices, heart-centered Enneagram types, namely helpers, twos, achievers, threes, and individualists, fours, can immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of expressive prayer, experience spiritual authenticity, and transformative encounter with God and the community. As they yield to the working of the Holy Spirit in their life, by opening themselves to a dynamic and vibrant prayer experience, they transcend conventional religious practice, embrace the supernatural dimension of faith and love, and experience deep spiritual transformation, thereby live their life with fervor and authenticity. In the next episode, we will consider Christian charismatic prayer as a form of expressive prayer, practiced widely in various Christian traditions, including the Catholic Church. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.